Good morning to everyone. I hope you are all able to view the screen clearly. So this particular video is all about the Tableau lab. Okay, so you are all undergoing 23DC 2501 exploratory data analysis using Tableau. Okay, this is an 1 credit lab. Okay, so already I have given you some basic guidelines related to Tableau and all, some basic introduction kind of things and all we have already discussed. But anyway, right from the scratch, I thought of giving you a small glimpse. So data analysis is basically a process where we will be implementing this Tableau for achieving the task related with various data analysis. Okay, so data is a powerful asset basically. So Tableau can help you to work out with those data and you are able to extract some fruitful information. Okay, with the help of Tableau, you are able to extract some fruitful information. So this Tableau is a data analysis tool, analytic tool, which help you very much, in terms of its nil code methodology, where you will be having drag and drop option. So based on your dragging and dropping of the rows and columns, automatically you will be getting the predictions along with its respective plotting. Okay, so this is the screen. I hope you are all able to view the Tableau screen. So this is the working dashboard of Tableau. Okay, so here you can have options of tabs like file, data, worksheet, dashboard, story, analysis, map, format, server, windows, etc. So likewise, you are having multiple tabs over there. So from that, if you want to create a new worksheet or if you want to open a new worksheet, you have to click this new button. Okay, then or if you want to open an already existing sheet, you can click as open. Okay, so while clicking the new sheet, you are able to see you will be getting a new sheet as given here, as given like this. Okay, so here it is, it's named as sheet 1. So if you double clicking that sheet 1, you will be getting an option to renaming it. Okay, so here I am giving the name as exercise 1. Okay, so this will tells you this, by the way, you can customize the sheet and along with sheet title or sheet's name with its formatting options too. So if you want to have it in a bold manner, you can bold it. Even if you want to have it in a color for the fonts, you can have it. If you want to have it in italic means, you can have it in italic also. So likewise, you are supposed to open a sheet like this, and then from that you can you have to give the title for the sheet. Okay, then we are supposed to explore some data with the help of this Tableau. Okay, actually it is a drag and drop process only, so that you are able to get a prediction, or you are able to do some analysis with the help of in a simplified manner. Okay, so let us see the exercise content of this first experiment. Okay, so see here, the first experiment especially deals about the data analysis, where you will be analyzing the weather data set. Okay, you will be analyzing the weather data set, and then based on the data set content, you will be predicting some sort of information from that. Okay, so this is what the first experiment. So analysis and exploration using Tableau is the first experiment, where you will be performing analysis and exploration of the data set. Here it is the weather data set is being chosen, and summarize the characteristics of the data set using Tableau. This is what the question. Okay, then so in Tableau is basically it is a powerful data visualization tool which is used for transforming raw data into an understandable format. This obviously you are able to understand it, right? So it is widely used for business intelligence, and it helps simplifying raw data into very easily understandable format. Is obviously you are able to convert the raw data into a quickly or easily understandable format, such as plots. Okay, so data analysis is very fast in Tableau, and the visualization created are in the form of dashboard. So and worksheet. So this is very important. So you will be creating a dashboard over here, and or otherwise you can create multiple sheets over here to visualize the respective output. Okay, so Tableau allows users to explore data and create interactive and shareable dashboards. Okay, so then key features here are user-friendly interface, data integration, data visualization, data blending and joining, advanced analytics, and as well as interactive dashboards. So these are some of the special features we are having. Then steps in analysis and exploration in Tableau involves connecting the data, then data preparation, then building visualizations, creating dashboards, and exploring data, sharing and collaboration. Okay, so likewise, you are having various operations, many steps you are supposed to follow in terms of your data exploration using Tableau. Okay, so some of the use cases also given here, like you can apply the Tableau for extracting some business intelligence, market research, healthcare analytics, education sector. So likewise, you can have various applications with the help of Tableau. Okay, so let us look at this first experiment, and I can have Tableau over here, and here you can have the options like file, and this is a icon where you are able to, this flower like icon is there now, so where you are able to connect with your data set, where by clicking more you will be getting, you are able to link with the data set given here. Then now the data set is being linked. Okay, so you are able to see the data set as given here. Okay, so we have taken the data set as weather history from Kaggle, and it is in CSV file format. Now the data set has been linked as here. Okay, next we can get into this worksheet. Okay, you can get into this worksheet, and now you are able to see that the data set consists of daily summary, formatted date, then receipt type, summary, as well as measure names. In terms of your another part of the table set, table data set consists of apparent temperature, humidity, loud cover, so like this, etc. So here you can see that there are columns as well as rows. Okay, you are able to see here columns as well as rows. So these columns you can drag and drop the respective content from here and make it as a column title. For example, if I am taking daily summary here, I can create a daily summary. I can drag and drop here. So this becomes a column now. Suppose if I want to place this apparent temperature over here for representing this row, then you will be getting the row as like this. Okay, so so here you are able to see that daily summary, then format, measure, values. 1 minute, I will take the another one. So now we have created the daily summary as well as the sum related to that. And if you want to create one more column, you can add, you can just drag and drop over there. So this is formatted date. Now you are able to see the content with the date. Okay, and another one is suppose if I want to drag add one more row in that, then I have dragged to humidity and dropped here. Okay, now you are all able to see the attributes of that data set. Similarly, I am adding one more column, that is person type, and similarly I am adding one more row. Okay, so I'm adding one more row, so that is a loud cover I can have. Okay, so likewise we can have different okay, so anyway, it will take little time in processing of placing this, so that it is giving that elapsed time. Okay, so we have to wait a few more seconds to get processed with this data. Okay, so let us wait. Okay, after that it will be it will respond basically. Yeah, now it is completed. So far we have created the table. We have dragged and dropped the column attribute as well as the row attribute. We are able to see that in column we are having daily summary. Here it is a daily summary and its respective date and also percept type. And in row we are able to see the row for sum of the apparent temperature and also the humidity and also the loud cover. So obviously it will take the sum of the content. Okay. Then here at the right top corner, you are able to see an icon called show me. So if you click that show me, you are able to see various ways to plot the data. Okay. The first one is text table. So you are able to see the name and its description at the bottom. So first I am keep placing my mouse over there on the first representation. It is what text tables. Then the second one is heat maps. Third one is highlight tables. Then the fourth one is your symbol maps, and fifth one is what it is generally map, and sixth one is pie chart. And we are having this is horizontal bar, and another one is stacked bars, and the next one is the sidebar. So likewise, we are having multiple representation of the data. You are able to view the data with these kind of plots. Okay, so here you can see that some of the plots are enabled, some of the plots are not enabled. So depends upon the data what we have chosen, the respective plots will be enabled or the other plots will be in the disabled mode. Okay, so nature of the day, based on the nature of the data set, it will automatically suggest you which kind of plot is suitable for your respective data. Okay, so here I have chosen the stacked bars chart so that I am able to get the result in the form of stacked bars. Okay, similarly I can choose the side by side bars too. So okay, so again it is taking time to compute the process, so that let me wait for a few seconds. Once after that it will show you the complete graph. Okay. Okay, so now you are able to see the plots in a different manner. You can choose it according to your demand. Okay, so this is the way you are able to creating multiple plots over there. Okay, so you see that the question given to is you have to in exercise 1 you have to explore the Tableau to analyze the weather data set. So initially you have to set up the Tableau and you have to connect and preparing data, that we have done it already. Cleaning and preparation. So cleaning and preparation in the sense, so before invoking or connecting the data set, you are supposed to go through the data set and you have to check is there any unwanted columns or any names over the column attributes are missing. So you have to handle those missing values and also have to remove duplicate values. Okay, so in my exploration also, we are able to see that I have chosen the weather data set of 80 I have mentioned. Why I have chosen 80 is the data set which I have downloaded from Kaggle, which is very big one. So I have in order to work out and reduce the elapsed time, I have minimized the data set. So likewise, you have to do some sort of pre-processing before getting into the process of what implementation. Okay, so this is what the case in terms of your data cleaning and preparation and creating visualization. So this step 4 can be performed over here. I told you. So how can you create visualization? Here I have created the visualization, right, with the help of. So to create a visualization, you have to choose this particular icon called show me. Okay, so this will automatically show you the possible plots related with your data set, and you can choose any of the data set, and accordingly you can proceed with this content. Okay, so that now we have completed the step 4 also, creating visualization. So here it is explained like we can have various plots like line chart to visualize temperature trends over time. You can use bar chart. It is especially for showing monthly and seasonal precipitation levels, and also you can develop some more other plots like scatter plots too. Similarly, you can do some sort of advanced visualization also. So where you can have you can have to create heat maps. Okay, so heat maps, you can create as part of your advanced visualization. Okay, so likewise, you have to create furthermore sheets as like that. So I'm creating one more sheet, and again I am this is sheet 2. So again I am dropping some of the columns here, and similarly I am dropping some of the rows values like pressure and temperature over here, so that since it is already being chosen as some of the plots as like here, so it is automatically giving you these plots. Okay, so likewise you have to create furthermore sheets as like this, and you can get a what's that plots according to the content what you have chosen here. Okay, so you are able to see the different plots, and according to the choice you have chosen, you can create the different sheets. Okay, you can merge with the different attributes of that data set, and you can create on different predictions over there, and you can create a different relationship over there with the different attributes of the data set, and you can visualize the relationship with this kind of plots. Okay, so this is the way you are creating multiple sheets. And in your first experiment, you are supposed to create the dashboards too. So you are able to see the icon dashboard over here. So click dashboard and click new dashboard. Then while clicking that, you are able to see these sheets, whatever you have created as part of your left column. Then you can drag and drop those sheets. So I am dragging the sheet number 1 here. So now it is taking consuming some time to process. So no way we are supposed to wait. Okay, no way we are supposed to wait. So another one thing we are supposed to create here is okay. So it is processing. Let us wait. Okay, now you are able to see that objects, the left sidebar, you are able to see the object that is horizontal container. Another one is vertical container. So if you have chosen vertical container, what will happen is the data sheets, whatever you have given here will be aligned in the form of vertical manner. Okay, so likewise, so again it is taking the elapsed time as 10 seconds. Then I am dragging another one sheet, that is sheet 2. Okay, so I'm dragging sheet 2. Again, it is taking time here. And once after that, you can drag sheet 3 also. You can drag and drop sheet 3 also. So now I have dropped sheet 3 too. So now you're able to see the contents of sheet 1, sheet 2, as well as sheet 3 on a single dashboard. Okay. So by the way, you are able to create a dashboard as part of your first experiment. So you all explore with this lab material, and you can try for the next experiment also. Okay. Thank you.